Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873 extension 5000. Buyer incentive on this home. Columbia 11 plan by award-winning Bill Beazley Homes. 4-bedroom/2.5 bath featuring a formal dining room and heated sunroom. The kitchen and GR open floor plan is ideal for entertaining and everyday living. Large granite island in kitchen along west/stainless steel appliances to include a wall oven, gas range, dishwasher, range hood and garbage disposal. Fireplace in GR. Waterproof click floors throughout main living area. Beautiful sunroom full of natural light. Large master suite west/walk-in closet. Double sink vanity separated with linen closet, separate tiled shower, garden tub and toilet closet. Tile in full bathrooms. Separate laundry room. Second bathroom with double sink vanity. Covered front and back porches. Sprinklers front, side and rear. 2-car side entry garage. Master Interlogix Smart Home / security system. Large neighborhood resort style pool.